Before we start any good thing, we first pray to God to attain some strength and inner peace. With this, we start our faculty development program with Saraswati Mantra. Om Saraswati Namastubhyam Varde Kama Rupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhaktu Me Sada. A very good morning to all one and all present here. I, Shalini Jaswal, Assistant Professor from the Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Technology, extended my warm welcome to all the dignitaries and the participants of this 5 days online faculty development program on nanoparticle-based drug delivery system conducted by the Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Technology, Maharaja Ranjit Singh Punjab Technical University, Batinda, and sponsored by AICTE Training and Learning Atal Academy. Before starting this event, I'm going to tell you the guidelines and brief about this faculty development program. The online faculty development program will be conducted on Zoom app. The participants will be provided link at least 20 minutes before the start of session. All the participants are required to follow the given schedule of each day. Minimum 80% attendance along with the feedback and 60% marks in evaluation and mandatory criteria as per AICTE in order to the eligible for certificate provided by AICTE Atal Academy. All participants are required to mute their microphones and off cameras at start of the each session. Each day the session will be addressed by university officials. Participants will put his or her attendance by mentioning his or her name or institute name in a chat box at the beginning of each session. One moderator will be available throughout the session to note the queries raised by the participants. At interaction session, participant will ask query by raising hand option on the app. So now I would like to introduce head of the department, that is Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Technology, Maharaja Ranjit Singh Punjab Technical University, Batinda, Dr. Rahul Deshmukh. Dr. Deshmukh has more than 16 years of teaching and research experience and has dynamic leadership quality. So I would like to welcome Dr. Deshmukh.
A very good morning to all the participants, delegates, speakers from different institutes around India, and other dignitaries and my team who is taken stupendous efforts to initiate the event successfully. I welcome you all once again. This Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Technology has established in 2017 under the great leadership and visionary of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Mohul Pal Singh Ishar. And for the first set, the two leaders were identified. Here at MRSPTU, as well as the huge research infrastructure available in the department. Dear fellow participants, we have taken initiative for
की प्रॉब्लम थी सर ने, मैंने बोला ही बल्कि सर को बहुत बार, लेकिन वो रिजल्ट पेंडिंग।
No. Uh, the eminent speakers from different parts of India, they are the leaders in their own field of nanotechnology. Before I begin with the FDB program, I would like to introduce about the department. I have briefed the establishment of the department and its journey, but now it has started from the mess, which was outdated building material, and from that, now the current infrastructure that will be displayed through video and other media. So I stop here and I would ask my team of organizers to display the video on department. Thank you and all the best. One more announcement that I missed to include here. Though this is new, we'll be announcing last the best participant who will be judged by the different panels, and that will be based on his participation in the discussion, his contribution, his attendance, and lastly, his performance in the assessment test, which will be conducted at the last. So, thank you. These best participants will be provided with a certificate, especially for them, and that will be dispatched to their home address. Thank you. Sonia. आनी है बड़ा
हेलो।
क्या
share to the stone. Share नीचे. चल रहा है। Okay, dear participants, I take one more time privilege to welcome you all in this Atal sponsored faculty development program. And now it's my privilege to introduce our worthy Dean R&D, Professor Dr. Jasbir Singh Hundal.
আমাদের ওখানে বলছে না আমাদের বলতে একটা বললো 5টা 50 একটা 6টা 50 5টা 50 হলো
Okay, we managed to control this trouble. One of the participants has switched on their mic. It's my privilege to introduce to you our worthy Dean R&D, Professor Dr. Jasbir Singh Hundal, who is MSc and MPhil from GNDU, Amritsar, did his PhD from IIT Roorkee and PDF from Pennsylvania State University, USA. He has his expertise in electroactive polymers and having more than 30 years of rich research experience. Having several national and international exposures and has individual and institutional projects of more than 25 crores. He is a recipient of several national and state level awards and guided more than 50 UG, PG and PhD research students. He has a dynamic leadership quality, and as a Dean R&D, he has a pillar in introducing new policies in research and promoting our faculty for fetching grants from different agencies. Though his CV is long, but I restrict myself here itself. And now I request Professor J.S. Hundal to please give his address to the participants. Thank you.
Professor Dr. Rahul Deshmukh, Head Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Technology, Professor Ashish Baldi, Professor Mandal, speakers of today, Professor N.K. Jain, Professor R.S.R. Modi, Professor Ashish Baldi, Dr. Amit Bhatia, other delegates and participants of this FDP. I would like to welcome you all to this FDP. When I read the title of the program was being held on nanoparticle-based drug delivery system. Interestingly, nanoparticle is a big area in itself. In fact, I too work on nanoparticles. We use BFO and PVDF composite materials to make computer memories. This is what actually is my research area, and currently I'm working on that. So actually I was thinking that this nanophysics or nanoparticle technology has entered into all the fields. I mean, whether you talk of cosmetics or you talk of stain resistant textiles, you take wastewater management, you take water filtration. So it's being used by the physicists, by electronic industry, by metallurgy industry. And it is very heartening to find that even it is being used for drug delivery systems. So the area is very new and really very important. And I should appreciate Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Technology for having taken this initiative in holding these kind of FDP, because I always feel that whenever you have to introduce a new syllabus, new curriculum, say to PG or UG classes, but before that, the things have to be discussed, debated at a platform, and many people would have to be trained in that area. So this nanoparticle, actually when I did my MSc MPhil, at that time we hadn't heard of even nanoparticles. Now I'm working on nanoparticles, and Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences is also working on drug delivery system, because I keep on listening to the research proposals while interacting with their PhD scholars during their registration process. And most important thing is that the department, which was just started in June 2017, have been able to bag around 10 research projects worth 2.5 crore. I mean, so I can very confidently say that this department is basically jewel in the crown of the university. So people have been getting funding from different agencies like Department of Science and Technology, ICMR, Ayush. So this is a leading department, and I can say proudly that this is the department which has the maximum number of research projects and maximum number of research scholars also. Research is very important, let me tell you, because if you look at the ranking of the universities, whether it is Times India ranking, or it is NIRF, or if it is NAC, their research profile of the department of the university is very important. I mean, major contribution, major weightage is given to the publication, citation, patents, other things that are produced by the university. So their Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Technology has played a very important role. Rather, this is the department that is leading the university. And I really expect that other departments, whether from sciences or management or engineering department, the university, they would also follow the suit. I mean, so they are the ones which are flag bearers, kind of say, or we can say that. So I must thank ASCT also for giving Department of Pharmaceutical Science and Technology funding for organizing this FDP under AICT Training and Learning Academy, and they have provided funds to organize this function. And so once again, I expect that during this 5-day program, we'll have maximum interaction between all the people who are different researchers or different industrialists, because I have seen the list of speakers here, and there are people from industries, not only from academic institutions, but also from the industry. So I think this 5-day program is going to be very, very beneficial for the researchers who are working in this area, and for the industrialists who are producing the products and launching them in the market. So it's going to be very interactive sessions, and they'll be learning on both the sides. And moreover, the attempt by the department to involve the PG students and research scholars in conduct of this program, and by making them attend the function, attend this program, I think the students are getting also very valuable exposure, otherwise they wouldn't have been able to get it anywhere else. So once again, I welcome all the participants, delegates. I've been told that there are more than 175 participants who will participate from 22 different states, so that's a big number. I think that's the best way of branding the university or advertising the university. We were just discussing one day that how should we go for advertisement and branding. I mean, this is the best way you can do that, right? So again, I welcome you all, and I wish all the success to this program, and thank the organizers also for organizing this, planning this function. And they'll be able to hold it well, and it will be benefiting all researchers, industrialists, scholars, and PhD students. So thank you very much for inviting me here, and thank you one and all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. It is always a pleasure for us to listen your words. Now, moving on to the pillar of our department, a man who has working tirelessly from the very starting to this department to new heights every day. None other than Dr. Ashish Baldi. Dr. Baldi, presently working as Professor, Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Technology, Maharaja Ranjit Singh Punjab Technical University, Bhatinda, along with additional responsibilities of Dean Faculty of Pharmacy. He has also served as Registrar, Maharaja Ranjit Singh Punjab Technical University, founder, head of department, and principal, ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga, with over 17 years of experience, three patents, 2 design applications, 8 books, 4 special issues, over 120 national and international publications. Presently, he is supervising 6 research projects granted by various governmental agencies. So, ladies and gentlemen, over to the man himself, Dr. Ashish Baldi. Sir, please tell us more about this event. Thank you.
नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, वलक्कम, आदाब, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, प्रणाम, namaskar. Why I am saying this in all these language? Because we are so proud to introduce that we have about 200 participants from 22 states of the country. So this is an extended family of Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Technology. This is one nation in one FDP, and we are proud to host all of you. With these words, I will start this event that MRSPTU के प्रयास समर्पित AICTE की सेवाओं का साधुवाद FDP के इन मधुर क्षणों में करते हैं हम आप सबका धन्यवाद. So dear friends, from Kerala South to Jammu Kashmir North to Gujarat in the Manipur and Assam, we have participants from all over, from all sectors, whether it is academia, industry, whether it is research students, whether it is PG students, and so many other streams. And as we all know that evolution is scientific senses, that how we can go from big to small, how we can go from milli to micro and micro to nano. And therefore the answer of everything in research lies in smaller things. So we have to identify at the nano level, and therefore with the recent advancement in nanotechnology, we all have evident science and discoveries as far as nanoparticle based drug delivery is concerned. Nanotechnology is not a new field. It has approached so many avenues in aviation and space, chemical industries, optics, solar hydrogen, fuel cell, battery, sensors, power generation, aeronautical engineering, and so many other fields. But in this particular FDP, we are more concerned with nanoparticle based drug delivery system. And what is more heartfelt for us is that all the participants from various specializations like physics, biotechnology, pharmacy, and all other streams which are related to nanotechnology, even engineering, mechanical, electrical, and all other aspects are joined with us in this particular program. I can never forget to thank Professor N.K. Jain, my mentor, my guide, my motivator, who is present with us as a inaugural speaker of this particular event. Thank you so much, sir, for blessing us, all of us, and we need your blessings throughout the event. With these words, I would like to share you that what are the speakers we have in this particular program. So in this particular program, we have stars from all over the pharmaceutical sciences, industries, and even patent experts. We have on the first day, we have very renowned Professor N.K. Jain, sir. We will have an opportunity to hear him. Then Dr. R.S.R. Murthy, sir, he's from MS University, Baroda, very well-known scientist in nanotechnology-based drug delivery systems. Then on the next day, we will have our other speakers, Dr. O.P. Katare, a well-known translational research scientist in pharmaceutical sciences on nanotechnology, talking on the what, why, and how of research. Mr. Vivek from a co-founder from Gurgaon on patent and expertise in nanotechnology. Mr. Ravindra Agrawal from MacLeod's Pharmaceutical, giving the industrial perspective of nanotechnology. And that day we will have our experts, including myself and Dr. Biswajit Mukherjee from Jadavpur University, Calcutta, and then Dr. Yogeshwar Bachav from edX Pharmaceutical Consultancy, talking on parental nanomedicines. And then on the next day, on 29th, we will have our experts from Dr. Kamla Pathak, ma'am from Uttar Pradesh University of Medical Sciences, very renowned president medalist, Dr. S.K. Jain from Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Dr. Hari Singh Gaur University, Dr. Bhupinder Singh Bhoop, sir, very renowned for his work on quality by design technology. And he will talk on a very interesting aspect of ethical publishing. And on the last day, we will have Dr. Amit Goyal, Innovative Young Biotechnologist Awardee, and Dr. Amit Bhatia from our own department to discuss about the translational part of the research. So we have tried our best to get the best of the mentors, the best of the speakers in this particular event, so that we can have not only the galaxy of stars, but we can have an ocean of knowledge in this FDP. At the end, we will conduct an evaluation, and all participants with more than 80% attendance and qualifying score in that particular evaluation test will be given certificate. So I wish all the best to all participants, and I wish that this particular event will be fruitful in your journey of research in the nanomedicines, nanoparticle based delivery system. Thank you for being a part of our family. Thank you so much for being a part of this particular event. Thank you one and all.
Thank you so much, sir. Now moving on from one pillar of the department to other, a man who has tons and tons of knowledge stored and is always ready to give his best for the department, Dr. Uttam Kumar Mandal. Dr. Mandal is currently working as an associate professor at Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Technology, Maharaja Ranjit Singh Punjab Technical University, Punjab, India. Before this, he worked in International Islamic University, Malaysia for 5 years. He worked for 2 years as postdoctorate fellow at School of Pharmaceutical Sciences, University of Geneva, Switzerland for 2 years with YN Kalia on development of transdermal drug delivery system. Based on his diverse field of research, he has published more than 8 research papers in various higher impact factor journals. So I will request sir to kindly deliver the vote of thanks.
Am I audible? Okay. Dear Salini ma'am, thank you so much for your kind introduction. Respected Dean R&D, Professor J. Hundal sir, Head of Department Dr. Rahul Deshmukh sir, Professor Ashish Baldi sir, my dear colleagues and dear participants. A very good morning to one and all. On behalf of the department and FDP co-coordinator, it gives me immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for the inaugural ceremony of 5-day online faculty development program. First of all, I'd like to give my profuse and hearty vote of thanks to Professor J. Hundal sir for having graced this occasion in spite of busy schedule, and that too within a short time of intimation. He has shared his knowledge and inspirational thought about this FDP. We are blessed to have him, as he always extends his moral support and guidance in all the academic and research activities of our department. I wholeheartedly thank you, sir, for your thought-provoking address. I place on record a deep sense of gratitude to Dr. Rahul Deshmukh sir, who dared to conduct this FDP in spite of tremendous workload as head of the department, including online admission of new UG and PG students in the department in the background of COVID-19 pandemic situation. His constant motivation and sincere efforts for the department to achieve its new high is really in all of us. I sincerely thank you, sir, for your insightful welcome address to the participant in today's inaugural ceremony. I also extend my sincere and heartfelt thanks to Professor Dr. Ashish Baldi, sir, who has elaborated about this FDP. He is also happened to be the former head of the department. His contribution in establishment of this department from the scratch is really commendable. His vast administrative and academic experience are asset of our department, and we are continuously being benefited out of that. I convey my sincere thanks to his keen interest, active involvement, and participation in arranging and coordinating a diverse range of resource persons for this FDP. Thank you so much, sir. I sincerely thank Dr. Amit Bhatia, sir, for his continuous input, encouragement, and suggestions that have helped every minute details in arranging this FDP. My grateful thanks and warmest welcome to all the participants who have joined online from various parts of India. Everything has been possible because of your overwhelming registration for this FDP. Thank you all. There are other members who are behind the scene in making this FDP to happen. I would like to thank Yogesh, Simranjit, and Jesse in arranging the sound system. My special thanks to Manish sir and team, including Ashish and Dheeraj, in creating the WhatsApp group and make the participants join in the group. I know it is a big task. Thank you, Manish sir and team. My special thanks to Priyanka, Salini ma'am, Nupur, Sangam, Tanushka ma'am for arranging the dais and other related activities. My special thanks to research scholar Mohit and Disant for taking care of all the technicalities related to Zoom online platform. Thanks also due to PG students, Pabsaran, Kajal, Shivani, and Sumit for promotional activities related to this FDP. I also sincerely thank all our staff members, IT staff, electrician for their continuous support, dedication, and untiring efforts to make this FDP to happen. I take this opportunity again to thank other members who are involved directly and indirectly in this occasion. Last but not the least, a very big thank to AICTE Atal Academy for selecting our department and sponsoring the required fund to conduct this FDP. Dear participants, I wish you all a fruitful and unforgettable experience in the coming few days of this online FDP. Wish you happy online learning. An investment in knowledge. I repeat, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. With these inspirational words, I would like to conclude this session of the FDP. Stay healthy, stay safe.